Hey everybody! Today we will talk about how to make a passive income even if you have no money. Before we begin, please subscribe the channel. Thank you. The first step we'll begin is to go to Digistore24 and open an account. Go to Google and then you type in Digistore24. Then you click on it. You don't have an account. Click on register now. Put your name there, email, password, and continue. If you already have an account, of course, click on login and click continue, and it will lead you to this page. Then find a product you'd like to promote in the Digistore24. Inside Digistore24, you can look for Marketplace on the right top corner, right here. Marketplace. Click on that, and you will be given digital products on the left side column. And look for any product you like. Let's say fitness and health as an example. And look for the ones that you haven't given any promotion yet. So let's say move on to the second page. Let's say this one you have not promoted yet. And click on promote now. And when this pops up, just click on close. When it's closed, and you will be led to this page right here, and where you can click on this link. It says it's already copied. Once it's copied, you could put this on the Pinterest. That would be next step. The third step is to go to Pexels. Find your promotion image or promotion materials. Pinterest. You'll have to find some promotional materials such as images. So go to Google. Type in Pexels, and you will see lots of images here. Type in, let's say, keto meal plan. Keto meal plan. And you will be given some of the images. I would click any one of them, but this one looks close. Pretty elegant picture. But even if you scroll down, you can see lots of more materials coming up under that first image you clicked on. So let's say go to this one. Let's say this is more focused onto a plate. So you go to download, and click on this little arrow, choose small image, and click download selected size. And you will see on your left corner, bottom corner, you will see this downloaded image. And click on show in Finder. So in your Finder you will have this image selected already. And drag this to your desktop, and it's right here already. Now go back to your website and go to Pinterest. So this will be the next step. So the fourth step will be go to Pinterest to open an account. Go to Google, type in Pinterest, and there will be Pinterest website. Click on it, and go to sign up if you don't have an account. Put your email, password, age, continue, or then with Facebook, or continue with your Google account. Okay. Once inside the Pinterest, create a pin in your Pinterest account. On Pinterest, log in if you haven't logged in yet, and go to create on the left top corner. Choose create pin. Now here you have a pin ready for you. Let's say you're gonna promote keto meal plan. Type in keto meal plan. Okay, and then here you need an image. So just go to the left top corner here. This is Apple computer. Click on that to minimize the browser. Then you go to the image we already selected. Move it in right here. Just drag it over. Then you can see it's there. And tell everyone what you want to promote, why you want to promote. Let's just say you're gonna say this meal plan is going to change your diet and make you healthier and happier. That's an example. And then here you have the link. You already have. Click on the link. The link is still here. Just press Command V. Then you have your link. Copy. Paste it here. Okay. Then you're gonna say publish. Okay. Click on publish. It will be published. Already published. So I don't have to do it again. That will be your third step. Paste your promotion link into that product into your pin, which we already did. The next step, wait to collect the payment from Digistore 24. Now you can see that you're counting your money. Finally, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe Smart Money Mindset channel so I can upload more in the future. I can upload more educational and information for you guys. Thank you.